Let's talk about how you're going to become a travel agent in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into the video. Before we even get into those quick steps to becoming a travel agent, I want you to do some homework. Just Google online travel agencies, OTA. I guarantee you that your favorite public website that you love booking travel is there, and they are travel agencies that is earning commissions off the travel that you book. Guess what? I'm going to show you exactly how to put that money in your pocket. So with that being said, I'm going to just tell you who I am and how I even got that information. My name is Teresa Knight, travel agent business coach out of Philly. And I have been a travel agent for about 5 years now. I started traveling when I was 19. So obviously I know how to travel. When I became 30, I discovered a video just like this with somebody explaining how to become a travel agent and how to start making money booking travel. So I'm like, that sounds smart. Why wouldn't I have seen this sooner? So long story short, y'all already know I became a travel agent. My first year in the business, I sold over $350,000 in travel sales while working a full-time job, while being an introvert, like not having like a social media platform at all, for real. And what happened for me is that majority of my clients, I would definitely say about 98% of my clients, were complete strangers, and my strategies were simple strategies that were low effort, and I did that simply by being consistent online, using automation so that way I don't have to be there for every dollar. And I coach and train my team to do exactly the same. So once I sold over $350,000 in travel sales my first year in the business, guess what? I was like, I got to keep this going. Before I knew it, I was making close to my take-home paycheck. A year and a half later, I left my full-time job to pursue this full-time. And now I coach and train travel agents on how to make money in this business. So let's just hop right into those steps real quick. The first thing that we're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and click the link in my bio. Here's the link. It might be in the caption or in the comments. Wherever you find that link at, you're going to put your first name and you're going to put your email. That's how me and you are going to get connected. That link will take you to the travel agent workshop. Now, what's great about this workshop is that if this video is not enough information, the workshop is going to explain the business. But I'm going to give you a snapshot real quick. So basically, I am a part of a host agency. My host agency gives me credentials so that way I can make money for the travel that I book, right? So all those vacations, family vacations, group vacations that you are booking, you can start getting paid for it. Now, the one thing that I do love about my host agency is that I can build this as big or as small as I want it. So if I wanted to focus on like family and friends, group vacations that I'm doing for like birthday trips, I could have, or I could expand like how I have done it, focusing on destination weddings, group vacations. I love doing birthday trips. So you can build it as big or as small as you want, and you can brand yourself. So you may have seen me on TikTok as The Desired Travel. Same thing on Instagram and Facebook. You can be your own business. So that's one thing that I do love about our host agency. There's a ton of trainings. There's a ton of educational opportunities that you can go on the resort and in real time and in real life. Test out the drinks. Go sit by the beach and make sure the beach is beaching for your clients, right? So it gives you that real experience so that way you can actually be, your vacations start. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that our work look like vacations, basically. So that's what I love about this host agency. So what you're going to do is get all the information that you need if that wasn't enough information. Then you're going to head over to your email inbox and look for the enrollment instructions. Scroll down. You're going to see the enrollment instructions. My recommendation is the most popular option. Why? Because you're going to have the options to get multiple streams of income, and who doesn't love that, right? So you're going to sign up as a rep first. That is the $19.95 business. A lot of people are like, well, what is a rep? Like, I just want to be a travel agent. Well, guess what? If you and your sister, like mine, love making money and know how to book their own trips, you can sign up as a travel agent. You will also get a sponsor code just like me, and you'll be able to share that with her, and that way she can make money, or whoever your friend is. That way they can make money booking travel too. So, for example, me and my sister, we hosted a birthday trip for her birthday, and I brought my people, she brought her people, we both got paid, and we had an amazing time on this vacation. So, what you're going to do is sign up as a rep first. That's the 1995 business. And it's going to take you, and you're going to fill out all the information, your first name, your last name. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes to fill out all that information. Then what you're going to do after that is submit that payment, and it's going to take you to your virtual back office. Guys, I know you're going to get a notification for an email. Don't go anywhere. Stay on that screen, right? Scroll down until you see purchase ITA now, right? This is where you're going to be able to start booking travel, getting paid for travel, getting invited to events and opportunities to be a better travel agent. And again, all the coaching and training is provided for you. Not only that, I'll be your mentor as well, and I do offer free and unlimited one-on-one coaching. What does that look like? You'll get access to my new travel agent guide. You'll get access to my private communities, my group chats. Not only that, you'll have direct contact to me as your business coach. So even though you're in business by yourself, you won't be in business by yourself, right? So I get super excited to make sure people know, like, there are people that have opportunities like this where they're saying like, hey, become a travel agent, and then leave you in the dust. We're not on that. Like, if you get in this business, we're going to make some money together. So after you finish enrolling as an ITA, guess what? You are going to get an email with your credentials. Save that in a safe spot, because that is what's going to allow you to start booking travel and getting paid. And guess what? You are a travel agent. So look out for my welcome email as well, and it's going to give you the steps to get started. The new travel agent guide is a step-by-step guide to help you set the foundation to your business. This is exactly what I did to sell over $350,000 in travel sales my first year in the business to complete strangers as an introvert, right? So I'm super excited to welcome you to the money-making side of travel. If you guys have questions, go ahead and leave your comments in the chat. I would definitely like to hear back from you guys. This is my first YouTube video, so I'm super excited to make it, and I hope I make some more. Bye.